how to create a portfolio website. Most of the freelancer which they want to showcase their work to the client, and you can use VuePress for that. Provide a brief about your organization, and then there are easy to install, but you can choose any icon or anything here, and then you will be following this format, having this nice looking website. And there are a horizontal navigation menu here, and there you can create your portfolios for the stack seekers. And then we have a feature demo. This is where you can see how you can create multiple pages as well, and this can be a drop down option for you. And there is also a way by which you can change the language. Here by default it comes with English and Chinese. You can choose a dark mode and the light mode by this button. So this is a light mode, and you can also integrate comments. So basically it's a static site using markdown, and there is a Vue render engine. First step is to choose the appropriate location where you want to run this command. And there is a prerequisite for Pnpm, and that is a package manager which I will be using to create this project. And I'll use VuePress theme hope, and stack seekers is the project name or the directory name which I am going to provide. It will ask for the language to choose. I'll choose English. I'll choose package manager as Pnpm. Which bundler do you want to use? I'll use Vite here. Project name, I'll choose stack seekers. Here I'll say welcome to stack seekers. Okay, the version I chose 2.0.0. license I will choose MIT. Which type of project do you want to create? For this I'll choose docs, but you can create blog kind of a website as well. So I'll choose docs. And does the project needs multiple language? So you can use internationalization as well, and I'll choose yes for this one. I also want to initialize this as a Git repository so that I can see my changes. It asks for, do we need a GitHub workflow to deploy on GitHub Pages? GitHub Pages is a functionality provided by GitHub to showcase your website on github.io. Domain of my organization is stack seekers, so I'll be using stackseekers.github.io. So I'll choose yes so that I can deploy from my local, and it will install a few packages using Pnpm package manager. Let's wait for some time and chill. Meanwhile, let's it's already there. So would you like to preview the template now? If I chose yes, it will populate that, and it will be running underneath that VuePress Vite dev source. So this is the command it will run, and you can see already that the network has started, and the URL is localhost 8080. I will open a browser and then show you how this will be looking. I'll drag here, and then you have a nice looking section where you can provide your brief provide a brief about your organization. And then there are easy to install, but you can choose any icon or anything here, and then you will be following this format, and you will be having this nice looking website. And it comes with an inbuilt to the top of the page by clicking on this, you will go to the top of the page, and there are horizontal navigation menu here, and there you can create your portfolios for the stack seekers. So I'll be using this to create my personal portfolio page here, and there I'll be introducing myself a bit and below. And then we have a feature demo. This is where you can see how you can create multiple pages as well, and this can be a drop down option for you. I will also remove these default menu, and I can rename it to the one which I need for my Stack Seekers website. And there is also a way by which you can change the language. Here by default it comes with English and Chinese, so now English is chosen here. If I choose Chinese, it will show all the Chinese here, but I'll go to English. Other things which can be done with the pre-default theme is you can choose a dark mode and the light mode by this button. So this is a light mode where you can see, and you can also integrate comments from the discuss, and then you will see all the comments here provided, and then you can just go ahead. This will be the home page. Okay, I will start editing this by opening this in the VS Code. So for now I'll close this, clear this, and then I'll just cd into Stack Seekers, and then I'll just go dot, which will open my VS Code here. I can drag this here, then we can see it has a get initialized, and there is a main repository created, and there are git ignores. So these are the files which it will create, and since I have used Pnpm, so it will create Pnpm log.yaml. And if I go to package.json, I'll see few of the scripts already, few of the scripts which shows like docs.build, which will build this VuePress with build source, and it will build this source directory. And this is clean dev, which will clean the cache and then run it again. And mostly I'll be running this for now. And then now let's go to the source directory, and here you can see there is a portfolio.md and readme.md. So if I go to portfolio.md, this has that portfolio home as a title. I'll change it to Stack Seekers, and I'll keep a space so that it's a title. And then once I go to terminal, and I'll start my project by running this. So I'll use Pnpm run docs, and then colon, and then dev. I'll copy this. Sorry, I have to go to readme.md, and then I'll change the name from project home to Stack Seeker. And I will also change this project home to Stack Seekers, and immediately you can see it reflected the Stack Seekers here. And you can place the description of the project here. It is also responsive, so you can see that it's also a mobile friendly website. Here you can see how to use, and there is docs. So instead of how to use, I'll choose my projects here, and then you can see it's reflected. Yeah, so it's easy with this markdown, and this is where all the features are there. So you can edit those features below, and where it says easy to install, instead of this I'll choose another things here. This is a section where you can change this, so I'll be changing this and then customizing for my Stack Seekers website. Thank you for now. I'll add another session. Thank you.